In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HFM to Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll have your HFM trading account logged into Metatrader 5 and ready to place trades. Before we start, make sure you have two things handy: access to your HFM client area and Metatrader 5 installed on your computer. You'll also need your HFM trading account login, your trading password, and the correct server name provided by HFM. Keep those details secure and never share them publicly. First, head over to the official HFM website and sign into your client area. Once you're in, look for the profile or account icon, usually located at the top right of the page. This area holds your key account information. You're looking for the details that Metatrader 5 requires: the trading account number, the trading password associated with that account, and the exact server name. HFM typically provides separate servers for live and demo accounts, so note the exact label. It might read something like a live or demo server name specific to your region or account type. Copy or carefully write these details down. Accuracy is crucial here. A single character off in the server name or password will prevent a successful login. With your details ready, switch over to Metatrader 5 on your computer. If this is your first time opening MT5, you'll see the main interface with several panels: Market Watch, Navigator, and Terminal. If you don't see the Navigator panel, you can enable it from the View menu. That panel is where your accounts are managed. In the Navigator, locate the Accounts section. This is where all trading accounts connected to your platform are listed. Click on Accounts to highlight it so MT5 knows you're working in the right place. Now, right-click on Accounts to bring up the Context menu. From that menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This opens the login window where you'll enter the details you gathered from HFM. In the login window, fill in your trading account number in the login field. This is not your email address, it's the numeric ID assigned to your HFM trading account. Next, enter your trading password. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters and avoid copying extra spaces if you're pasting it. For the server field, enter or select the exact HFM server name provided in your HFM client area. If the list is long, use the search box in the dialog to type the broker name and reveal the correct server options. Make sure you pick the one that matches your account type, such as live or demo, to avoid connection errors. When everything looks correct, click OK to sign in. If your details are correct and the server is reachable, you'll see the account appear under Accounts in the Navigator with a green connection icon, and the bottom of the platform will show data flowing in the status bar. Quotes will begin updating in the Market Watch window, and you may receive a welcome message in the Journal tab. That's your confirmation that you're connected and ready to trade. If you don't connect on the first try, don't worry. Double check the server name and confirm you use the trading password for that specific account. Make sure your internet connection is stable and verify that you selected the correct live or demo server. You can also open the Journal tab at the bottom of MT5 to read any error messages. They'll usually point to a wrong password or server mismatch. Correct the issue, repeat the login process, and you should be good to go. Once connected, you can organize your workspace, add symbols, and open charts. Remember to keep your credentials safe and consider storing them in a secure password manager rather than a plain text file. That's it. You've successfully connected your HFM account to Metatrader 5 and you're ready to trade with confidence.